I'm Rupal. Are you ready to get moving? Let's try out some Bhangra moves today. Bhangra is a traditional folk dance that originates from the Punjab state of India. It's going to require lots of arm movements, hand movements, and lots of foot movements as well. Let's get started. Movement 1. This is called Faslan. Imagine crops swaying in the wind. We're going to start off at the bottom corner and then sway at the top. And just repeating. Make sure your eyes are following your hands. Bottom and to the top. Okay, let's add in a bit of a bounce and some shoulder movements as well. Really leaning in and swaying. And the weight is just shifting onto our feet, onto the right and onto the left. Let's speed that up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 Well done. Move number 2, this is called Chutki. Bending down as you click your fingers. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Keep going. Let's add in the feet. Stepping forward and stepping back. Stepping forward and stepping back. Add in your hands, stepping forward and back. Well done. Move number 3. This move is called Punjab. You're going to need your hands, place them like this and reach all the way to the top. Loosen the shoulders, loosen your knees. And bring the hands down close to the ear, lifting and pushing, lifting and pushing, lifting and pushing. Let's speed it up a little bit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Great, let's add in the feet. You're going to take the right leg and cross it over. Take the left leg, cross it over, and keep repeating this. See if you can add in your hands at the same time. Add in a little bit of a bounce, some more energy. Get those shoulders moving. Movement number 4. This is called Sheesha. We're going to clap and push. Almost like you're scoring a basketball. Clap and push. Clap and push. Clap and push. Let's add in the feet. We're going to step to the side and step to the other side. Step to the side and step to the other side. Make it a little bit faster and add in your hands. Clap and push. Clap and push. Clap and push. And finally, action number 5. This is called Jugni. Raise your right hand all the way to the top and your left hand, bring it into the center near your chest. Make sure the elbow is nice and straight in line with your chest. Relax those shoulders, bend the knees and just give me a little shrug with those shoulders. You see those shoulders are going back and forth. Great. And we can travel with this to the left or to the right. Or we can go forwards and backwards. Great. Are you ready to put all of this to the music? Let's go. Okay, let's get ready. Keep those shoulders nice and relaxed. Bend those knees. Let's prepare ourselves for the first move, which is Faslan. Starting off nice and slow. Are we ready to pick up the pace? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Next move, Chutki. Forward and back. Forward and back. Keep it moving. What's the next move, Punjab? Crossing over those legs. What's next? Sheesha. Clap and push, clap and push. Moving on to our final move, Jugni. Shuffling forwards. Let's mix up some of the movements. Punjab. Faslan. Jugni. Well done. Well done, you just had a go at learning some Bhangra. I wonder if you can create your own routine using some of the steps we've just learnt. For more resources all about world cultures and languages, head over to our website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.